Hello viewers, today I have been served with a parcel packet from India Post which has been sent from All India Reporter Private Limited, Nagpur as you see, and the packet contains All India Reporter monthly journal of January issue. As you see, I have already unboxed the same and you see that there is a January issue of All India Reporter, you see. You can see as printed on the cover page, India's premier monthly law journal since 1914. It displays its founder as late Sri V.V. Chitale, whatever the pronunciation is, and chief editor Sunil V. Manohar, senior advocate. I am turning the pages of it. You can see there is table of contents wherein the contents as displayed, that is persuasive precedents, judicial history, nominal table, subject index, list of NOC covered under code, list of acts, index, cognate price, topical index, index of journal section, index of act section, journal section, act section, and notes of cases. You see, as I am turning the pages of it, I see the printing quality is so good, while pages qualities are also good, you see, and I'm just turning the pages. You can see the contents of it, and in the coming videos I will analyze the judgment content therein, and the same will be demonstrated well to you, which will be very beneficial for all of you, like law student, law practitioner, or general public at large. So please stay tuned with us. Thank you.